finish fast, they'll come and join us.
We'll start a program. No, this is for us.
We have one from
all the participants and especially Monica and the members now. Yeah, go there. Both of them.
Thank you very much, Maharaja. I would like to thank our Honorable CM, Purnas Chandra Jamatia sir, our Honorable EM, Kamal Koloi sir, our Honorable EM, Rajesh Tripura sir, our Honorable MDC, Uma Shankar sir, and we have our senior social activists, our this Dinesh Debarma, who is also open-heartedly always ready for our people. We thank you, our CEO sir, who have taken the pain. It's very sad, but once again I thank our Maharaja who has taken this initiative that it will come up once again, especially after Ningrims came up. It has already told us we hope to see it with our Ttaadc Bhawan here, which will be
One more.
Today also, yesterday evening, I got information from Benjamin. There are 7 patients, Tiprasa patients, presently also in Ningrims. Our people come here because
Rwkha, one row can sit in front
And one can be behind.
Yeah.
Standing.
but in Ningrims, they have full-fledged neurologists and fully they give free treatment. So especially for neurologists, someone suddenly gets stroke and all those, anything, accident, anything, are people who die without treatment. They come to Ningrims. So Ningrim is we have almost every day also patients here. I think it will serve a good purpose, as Bubagra has said, for the patients and the students. So saying these few words, I thank you all for giving me this privilege. Thank you everyone for coming here. Thank you.
Jotano Khulumka, Chibai, Honorable CM Purno Chandra Jamatia, Honorable EM Kamal Koloi, EM Rajesh Tripura, Honorable MDC and Zonal Chairman Uma Shankar, Dinesh Debarma, all the young people here, students, dignitaries. There is someone who is coming from the Rwkha also. We have our CEO, of course, CK Jamateji. Bodhelian Rangkhol is here, Deputy CEO. First of all, since today is a very important day for us, the ADC Council has never had any office outside Khumulung or Agartala or Tripura. And it is indeed very sad that when I see Bodoland Bhawan everywhere, Karbi Anglong Bhawan in Shilong and in Guwahati, now in Delhi. But we Tiprasas have never had an opportunity to even go to Delhi and call that place ours, because we find it so difficult. Whenever we go there, there's a problem. Shillong is a student town. All of you all, the youngsters here, you all study here. Whenever there is some problem, you do not know where to go and ask for help also. Shillong is also a place where many people come for their treatment. Ningrims is here, and many people come for their treatment, and then they have to spend a lot of money staying in expensive hotels or guest houses. Most of the time there is inconvenience when it comes to food, staying. So it was very important that we take this land, which was with us for the last 30 years, almost 25 years, and make it into a transit bhavan and a ADC Bhawan, a transit guest house. Our aim is not to make this place filled with people who are coming here and staying, but our aim is to ensure that when a Tiprasa comes to Shillong, at least he or she gets a comfortable accommodation. And we are also sensitive because the Rwkha is here, the people from the Rwkha is here. We do not want to make this place into an adda where people will come in and waste their time. We want people to spend their productive time here. We also have a small eating area here apart from the Bhawan. There's a small hall. Whenever you have to do a conference or a get together, at least our people can sit down here and have a proper meeting. We also have a place in the project for the resident commissioner. So whenever our people, our students are having problem, at least you can have an officer here who can help our people when they get into any sort of inconvenience or trouble. I really, I was, this entire ADC, this land, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ, ये पूरा जगह इतने साल से यहाँ में खंजर जैसा पड़ा था. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने इसके बारे सोचा था, लेकिन इनको कुछ एनओसी नहीं मिल रहा था. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, मिसकम्युनिकेशन. लेकिन अगर हम लोग प्यार से किसी से भी बात करें, इफ वी टॉक विद लव टू एनीवन, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. तो यहाँ में जो हमारे लोकल्स थे, खासीस थे, उनको मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग था. पिछले 6 महीने में माय CEOC के जमातिया, माय EMs, इवन EM PWD जित्तो बाबू, हमने यहाँ में भी किए मैनी टाइम्स. हमने बात किया और बात करने के बाद सबको समझाया. आई वांट टू थैंक मोनिका who has played a very important role in please give her a hand getting the NOC. क्योंकि I think जब conversation होता है, जब when we start talking to each other, then only people start realizing that हमारा intention अच्छा था. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आने वाले, और खर्चा भी नहीं हुआ. सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि करोड़ रुपया खर्चा होगा. हमने पूरा चीज़ किया है ट्रांसपेरेंटली. एंड अब आने वाले 1 साल के अंदर मैं चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ में एक ADC ट्रांजिट गेस्ट हाउस भवन बने और हमारे जो तिपरासा लोग हैं जिनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम है उनको एक सुविधा मिले. और ये एक मैसेज अगरतला में भी जो लोग हैं, इट्स फॉर देम ऑल्सो. अब आप हमको हल्का मत समझिए, ADC को आप कमज़ोर मत समझिए. जो चीज़ पहले नहीं हुआ है हम लोग कर रहे हैं. हमने चैलेंज लिया था और हमने ये चैलेंज जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट 4.5 साल में नहीं कर सका, हमने 1 साल के अंदर कर दिया. और हमने पैसा भी खर्चा नहीं किया. हमने प्यार से बात किया, सबसे कॉन्वर्सेशन किया और बिना पैसा खर्च करके, हार्डली 25,000 खर्च करके हमने ये पूरा प्रोजेक्ट को NOC निकाल के हमने सब किया है. और इससे एक ही बात जाता है कि आज शिलोंग में हुआ है, कल गुवाहाटी में होगा, थोड़े दिन बाद दिल्ली में होगा, उसके बाद बेंगलोर में होगा, पूना में होगा. तिपरासा का ग्रेटर तिपरा लैंड भवन पूरे त्रिपुरा से बाहर भी होना चाहिए. आदमी लोगों को समझना चाहिए कि वी बुकुंगबारा लोग, वी इंडिजिनस तिपरासा पीपल आर ऑल्सो केपेबल of doing something if you are given the chance, if you are given the opportunity, and if you are given the money. Right now, we have not been given that, but it was a challenge, and I want to thank everyone in the administration, especially my CEO, especially my CEM, and my EMPWD, and officers, and people from Shilong like Monica and Betsy, who have helped us, Namti Taryang, who is not here, but who's helped us, and the Rwkha and the Rwkha of this area. Thank you for helping us. We will ensure that this place is something that we will all prosper together, and we will make sure that this becomes one of the finest bhavans in the whole of Shillong. Belai no hambai, thank you, Kublai Shubha.
Belai ke hambai, tini chen kacha laibu mani chal, sang Shilongo sok kaja sini Maharaja ni chak thar mungbai, titi edisi bobon kaine ni thang tongu, almost complete tabok sang daiti ni oro tangjak sinai tangjak mani ya golo chung sai mane joto no sini oro ti prasaro pore phainai sak hamya naijang nai phainai tei busung ti prasad bai ti prasa kok salainai ni ke chini o Shilongo kuno asok thai jaga koroi sungno bini Boroland ni kabangma haste go boroni Boroland babon tongo Karbi Along babon tongo phebasini ti prani kuno koroi लाइक थाइने गभर्नमेन्ट रक बरक साक्थारखा फेयाबा बरक सामुं जारायमालिया दिनै चिनि बागै लाइबुमा कताल सुजाक सिनाय चिनि तिप्रासानि बागै जों तिति एडिसि नि उंगै चिनि बुबाग्रानि नेतृत्वे ते जतनि साक्थार मुंबाय जों दिनै कताल या प्रेसेनानि फाइसिनि थाङै दङो जतनो हामबाय निरनि हामारि नाङो निरनि चुबासु नाङो निरक जोङो दैबु चुबादि फानदि चिनि तिति एडिसि बबन तांनानि एबा तिप्रासानि बागै सामुं तांनानि बागै निरक जोंनो सापर्ट खायखायखे फाइनान्सियल जों दैबो गाहाम खायमोनाय तानि के जों ताबक सुगजरा जे खायजे आंगै दंमोन मन जों ताबक कताल खिया प्रेसेवै दं जों एडिसिनि कुनो रां करै फान करै निनि बनि बिसिङाव फानो जों चिनि साक्थार मुंनि बिसिंति बुबाग्रानि साक्थार मुंनि बिसिंति जों जे बै खायमेनो जों खायनानि फाइसिं थाङै दं अम कायसे चिनि एचिभमेन्ट बुबाग्रानि साक्थार मुंबाय कायसे जों चिनि इमां कतर सामुं जानानै फाइसिं थाङै दं हानि बाङै निरनि चुबाचुबु ब्लाइखे नाङो फाइनान्सियल दैबो निरक चुबाचु खायबाय जादि हामबाय
आं पुलेनो बेलेगे हामबाय जानांगौ चिनि हाबु बाग्रा श्री पद्दुत किशोर देबबर्मान एडिसि क्षमता फाइमानि यागुलो म একটা গ্রেট অ্যাচিভমেন্ট जों अनेक बिसि सिगांनि सिमी वान सुग्लाय दंमानि खाखाय दंमानि अरब कायसा तिप्रा भवन उंनानि दङ नेबारिं सिटी इम्पोर्टेंट सिटी और एजुकेशन बागै बच्चेनि सेराव फायो ट्रिटमेंट बागै बो फायो ओंखाय अब गुवाहाटी बताबो खायनानि उद्योग नाहार दङ बाय आं एडिसि टोटल प्रशासन न सीएम ईएम इंक्लूडिंग एमडीसी जे एडिसि प्रशासन न बेलाय थैंक्स और स्पेशली जे एडिसि नि प्रशासक हिसाबै सीयू साहब डेपुटी सीयू बरक जे साक्तारै खाबाय चिनि दफानि और एक अचिभमेंट तुइमाखा जोंना एक एडभान्टेज दिमाखा अब वो हिस्ट्रिकल आं बेलाय बेलाय बुंनो हामबाय जानांगौ चिनि तिप्रासा दफानि तरफ থেকে आं और फाइव मानजाब माबाय आं निजेनावो बेलायखाय दन्न फिनि मनायखायो एज वेल एज जतनो धन्यवाद जानांगौ दिनै जारा और एटेन्डुंखा और स्टूडेंट दगबो बक्सिखा तेवा आगुकथं आं इच्छनथानि ओ कामना खायि ओ सुरिमु नारगै आं नंना हामबाय जानो
First, I need to get my degree. I'm new Shilongo na Koreto, new university. Get over Zumbo Zagao. Haye Manebo. Talk about immigration. Tini have to brand, but it's Kahamno, but Zaga Junze. Jupuranije Panero, Binte Biaramaya, Panero, in case the student, Panero, Samunang, Panero, Jumro, Ginny help to Pamena,
हामबाय दिनै कपिफ्रानो जोंनि काभरेज खालामनो बागै एन्ड दिनै जों बेलाय दंथ'जाक कारन अ हस्टेल तिब्रासा हस्टेलाव अनेक लाइक मोर देन लाइक 12 I think 12 to 13 years most probably amma haike amma kalai tongmani angka tini titi hapang haimani ulamo step na jaka angka mo chin bagi one kotor achieve no honman sang esang tino jaga immigration khakya chini present maharaj botongo ketin te cm em mc joton tongbayo kaprono sang hambai maru karon tabuk sang ningnim sogo person no hagyang kai tongnan chanani problem hotel logo angka tabu Shilong to joton saimon expensive angka tabu once ngomono open khakya kesang at least ini like 50% lesang help manu according to jang abuno direct habung no belai hamai maru okay datin omo khulujang hani jang kha khayong kesang Shilong ni ngai tini belai tongthoka omono sanamosong